Hi, my name is Farouk and I'm one of the instructors at Evolve Cyber. I have extensive years of experience in IT field and I've been teaching for the last 6 years. I've been helping students teaching the latest technologies like Terraform, Ansible, GCP, Azure and different cloud providers. And we've been helping students to get a job that pays them $110,000 without any student loan, without any obligations. Our company specializes in DevOps field and we've been one of the successful companies in Chicago who helps them to get a job as the DevOps engineers. We have students coming from different IT backgrounds. We have students who finished the QA field, we have students who have Java development experience, and we have students who has nursing experience but they still want to change their life into a DevOps field. So we've been helping them with preparing their resumes, we've been helping them prepare their LinkedIn profiles, and most importantly, we've been interviewing them a lot so they get ready 100% for the real companies. And our students been really successful. We had so far 35 different batches since 2016, and most of our students been successful getting a job in top 500 companies. When students finish the classes, they can remotely work from home or they can work from Hawaii. We have students working from Turkey, we have students working from Russia, and we have people who are working from Ghana and they are getting the same salary as they would in the United States. Now, when our students finish the classes, in order to show them how real companies operate, we also created a smaller company called FujiCorp. When students join this company, they actually learn about real issues of IT companies. They resolve different projects, and we have multiple instructors who lead them every day by preparing stand-ups, by preparing different meetings, and then showing them how real tickets are resolved.
Hi, my name is Islam. I'm an instructor here at Evolve Cyber. I specialize in Linux, automation, and containerization tools. As an instructor, I'll be covering classes like Linux, networking, Docker, Kubernetes, and Jenkins. With these classes and all other classes that we cover, we focus on making classes hands-on as much as possible. We push our students to work on hands-on projects, and we work with DevOps consulting companies to give an opportunity to our students to work in a real environment before they get employed. This is going to make sure that our students are not only good in knowledge, but in practice as well. We constantly work on keeping our syllabus up to date to keep up with the market demand. While COVID-19 had a bad impact on most industries, as a DevOps engineer, we are lucky to see that demand for a DevOps engineer had actually grown within the last year. This gives an opportunity to somebody who is willing to get into IT to make a change in their lives, to get a rewarding career, well-paid job, and improve work-life balance. As an instructor, we are proud that we were able to create an environment where we focus both on theory and practice and help people from different backgrounds to become DevOps engineers.
Hi everybody, my name is Kelly and I work at Evolve Cyber as a mentor. I work on the FujiCorp project. The FujiCorp project is a project that we introduce to students after their 6 months of course. Here you take all of your knowledge and you apply it to a real working environment. In this working environment you'll learn troubleshooting, you'll learn how to do tickets, and all this information that you've gathered during that time when working with FujiCorp, then you can apply it to interviews. We found that it's been very successful for technical interviews if you have this information to then apply to it, and many of our students have gotten jobs because of this.
My name is Hasan. I'm a DevOps engineer. I work for the Californian company. It's an electricity company. I've been living in Chicago like over 8 years. I can say like my mutual friends that has been going to the school, and after all they had a like very decent job, decent amount of money, and the most important thing, they were working from home. So that convinced me. You know, when I was talking with them, they suggested me to go to Evolve Cyber and learn the job and start to apply for the job. So that was, you know, great opportunity for me, and I convinced. My story with Evolve Cyber started a while ago. At that time, the COVID started, and I was looking for new opportunities. I talked with my friends who was like student of the Evolve Cyber. They helped me to like register over there and start to like become a like student for the Evolve Cyber. I love working from home. Literally, you're home all the time. You're working from home. Like, you're available. I cannot say like all the time. Sometimes you're having Zoom calls and you cannot leave the computer, but most of the time, you're available. You can like talk with, you can have the phone calls, you can cook in the same time while working, you can have your coffee, you can relax, you can, if you want, like go somewhere, just little walk and come back, work again. I love working from home. My job hunting process was little easier for me because I had the job, like it was in 5 days I got the job after opening myself in LinkedIn. That was the great time also for like the market. It was just the market is just getting ready for like new hires. So that helped me a lot. My work day, it's like when I wake up in the morning, I got my coffee first. And then I start check my emails and I check my messages from the managers and coworker. We have like daily stand-ups every day. So we update each other with like coworker and managers, and we have our tickets assigned to us. Like we work on them most of the time. Sometimes we need to pair each other to like the work, some like mutual tickets together. And also, like, you know, when you start to work at the company, they have to give you some like the wikis that you need to like study a little bit to like learn the new environment. They're like, you're just trying getting used, and it's getting easier. I improved myself in the like school time. Like for the certificates, I finished the school with 6 certificates, and those certificates are very popular certificates. They're like a top tools right now in the market. When you like, I suggest everyone to get those certificates. Like when you get those certificates, when you like apply for the jobs, you will see like what kind of favor it will give you. When the recruiters and like your manager that you're like interviewing with, they will impress from those certificates. I suggest everyone to get it. I do recommend DevOps to everyone. That's great opportunity that you're working from home, you're getting paid this amount of money, and you're having title. It's a good title. You're having like they will call you as an engineer. That's a great thing. I can say like around 120 to 160 as a senior DevOps engineer. That's 6-figure for sure.
People are that whoever changes the world, they are always optimistic for the future. And when you are optimistic, it's always opportunities to all around you. My name is Vladimir. I'm a DevOps engineer in Chicago. When I was working in the construction for the 3 years, I knew that I have to different to be more successful in the future. I was always thinking how to make things different. Is there anything that can change my future? I knew that I have to be braver than others. Then I found Evolve Cyber. This is how my story started. After 6 months of the course, I became a DevOps engineer. Being a DevOps engineer, it truly makes me happy. My dreams became real because I chased my dreams. My advice to you is never give up, follow your dreams until it became real, because tomorrow is new.
Hi, my name is Sarah Abwaji. I am a DevOps engineer with accounting background. I always knew I wanted something different in the future because I wasn't fulfilled with my work and my life. Then I realized that I needed to find other ways to change my life. So I made a radical decision, which fully impacted me. And that was the right decision I've ever made. My inner voice pushed me towards my dreams. By taking the risk and living my stable work life, I was able to get where I became confident enough to succeed. Work plays a major part in your life, and when you enjoy your daily routine and find fulfillment in what you do, it really makes you happy. The greatest decision I made was to choose DevOps and start my career journey with Evolve Cyber.
Hi, my name is Sezgin. I'm a DevOps engineer working for an IT company based in Chicago. My day usually starts with a cup of coffee, checking my emails, and then following with a daily meeting with my manager for about 20 minutes or so. And what you do as a DevOps engineer, you build infrastructure in the cloud so the companies run their applications in the environment that you build for them. The purpose of DevOps is to automate and eliminate the time to minimize it so the companies save money. That's how you help them. And then the other good things about DevOps, you work from home, so there's a lot of time to be spent somewhere else other than commuting to work every day. That's pretty much the best part about it. The other good things about DevOps, you can work from anywhere in the world as long as you have Wi-Fi connection. I got involved with this DevOps field thanks to Evolve Cyber. They taught me a lot within a 6-month period of time in the boot camp. I was able to land a good job and then start my career from there. I'm very happy with it, and I definitely recommend anyone who's willing to spend time to start their near future career. Thank you.